It's Friday day. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? What? So hello, and hello, dear watcher. Okay. Today I'll continue working on my data set. So So put me here. So yesterday I started working on the code that will put together all the data that I've collected so far. And I think I showed you. I think I showed you my data. And this is what my data looks like after a few operations in Python. Before we talked about, so if you look at it, we got rid of the hashtag and we shifted columns to the left. Yes. And the reason we did this, remember, because we have so much or so many data sets required this operation performed on them. For this reason, I'm going to create a loop today. So this was like the really simple version of the code. What I usually do is I do it for 2 files, and then I have some, I got some idea about, okay, how I should construct the code. And then I create the loop after. So it will be like the version 2 of the code. And I will build this version of this existing one. And what the code will do is it will go into the path of the data. It will, and I will put everything that the code will do in the doc string here. So the code will get the first data in the in the folder. It will read the txt file, and then it will start to loop all the files, or all the files except the first one. It will start to read, clean, and then append that or concatenate the data in the second file after the first, and then loop will go start again. Then we'll read the third file and then concatenate the information in the third file and put it after the big data set it's looping. So then I'll end up with a huge data set that contains all the files, or that contains all the data in the data set. So basically putting all the txt files together. So I'll work on that loop today. Yes. So what I did Um, I just copied this second file and made copies 3 and 4. This is just for test. And for the, just to make sure, just to make sure, like, you know, I can control what's going on, I changed this last value just to provide me a checkpoint after this operation is complete. Okay, my friends, I don't have much time, but I'll do my best. Sorry. You too. Thank you. So, okay, what's going on here? This is the path. And for some reason, my computer slows down. I don't know, my keyboard entries appear with some lag on the screen. So look, or it didn't happen, but look now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's some slight lag, but it's okay. So this is the path of the data. This is for, this is first file in, is it data set? It's data space set. Okay. Okay, so now the thing is, we will come to that. Okay, we will come to that. And we are attaching, the reason I designed this, the reason I created 3 different strings and I'm putting it together is because the file names, just the first character of the file name changes, and I'll just, you know, loop that. But that, for that reason, I had to create, you know, 3 different strings and then put them together. That's why. So this is how I started to, you know, create construct the code, but probably this will change. Get rid of the print functions. Okay, part 1. This part, we define the path of the data set and create the path of the first file in the data set. Okay, and then part 2 here, we reorganize the data set. No, not the data set. We organize the first file. Okay. Part 3. Now it is time to reorganize the other files. Oops. In the data set and one file. So, and this file, this loop will work until some time, and we will decide that. So that goes for a while loop. And this actually, I coded this part in the Windows machine, on the Windows machine, and I use something called like is exist Python, something like that. So it checks for if that file exists. Okay, to do that, import os .pet.exist. Okay, now the tricky part is actually, wait. Why do I do that? Maybe I can just start loop here. Yeah. Because what happened at the school when I was working on the code, I did the first date, I reorganized the first file, and then I have to, define the name, the first character of the second file, so that this can, this can check if this file exists. So like this, but then I have to I add a counter in the code. Then this code, wait, what happened? I'm trying to remember. Oh no, okay. So yeah, I create the second one, and then yeah, it looked, but it's not necessary. It's not necessary. This is, I just see it now. I just see it now. So yes. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. red. Oh no, now I remember why I did this in two parts. Wait. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, it reads if it exists, reorganize. Yep. And so now it has to append or concatenate this file after some file. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So for that, we can do. Can I create an empty data frame? Data frame pandas. Da, 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 da. Mhm, 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 mhm. So we can try that. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, but square brackets. Is it right? Let's try. So we did this. Put that here. We don't need this anymore. Here I am. Mm, 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 mm. Then mm, mm, mm. Then f num plus equal 1. Then dee da dee da da dee da dee da 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 da. So then we will get, so this is our new full path name. It will be to sub, I don't know what is it, to something Rmax 10, and then it will go check, does the full path exist? Yes. Okay, then track equals read CSV full path. Yes, nice. And then sorted, and then pop that last column, and then concatenate tracks, and that track, put it after the other, and then add 1 to the fnum, and fnum will be 3, and then we'll check. Okay, and then let's print it. Let's run this. Where's the problem? Concatenate. All the input array dimensions for the concatenation access must match exactly. I don't want to put if loop because if loops are expensive computationally. Think. It says the input array dimensions match. Can I create an empty data frame in Python just to see if I did this right? Yes, okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Columns. Are volume Emacs. Okay. And then get column. Ooh, It seems like it worked. Yeah. Because this is the last file. And I put the checkpoint here. Awesome. Yay. Okay. Seems like it's working. The only thing now is to so instead of this, we have to write this to data to CSV. Okay, quickly because I gotta go. To CSV pandas. Example. Tracks. CSV. What? Writes it as a CSV. Not too bad. Okay. So I'll stop here. This is not bad. This is not bad. And I save this as okay. Merge. Nice. Okay, guys, I stop here. And I see you tomorrow.